still getting ready.
How do you get ready for messy play day?
You need pom-poms.
Pom-poms? My first delivery! Wait, here! Oh. Oh. Pom-poms!
No, Joe.
They're cheerleading pom-poms. We need different pom-poms for our messy play day.
Aww. I'm sorry.
Joe, tidy up.
Oh no, we have a problem.
For walking.
It's fine. Oh. 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 A sweeping brush. Wait, here. Is this a sweeping brush?
Yeah. Thank you, Joe.
Now we can get ready for messy play day.
You big mate, Joe.
Come on, Ozzy, let's do this.
Good work, Joe. Now we can start dancing. But first, we need some music. I think you might have a speaker for us.
My first delivery. Wait, here. Oh. A speaker.
That speaker's too small. We need a big speaker so that we can hear the music in the room properly.
We have no music. What's that, Ozzy? You can play the music? Good idea. Ozzy will play the music for us.
Yay! Now it's time to start dancing. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
I will be dancing with you today.
Yay!
I have a delivery for you. A costume.
Joe, we need more.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day!
We have to decide where to put the painting. Let me think.
Joe, no.
No.
Give me Joe.
You help. Show me where.
Right here, Joe.
Dara, you genius! This is where we'll put the painting. Open.
Open.
Oh no, me painting. I mean, where is my beautiful painting? The opening is in an hour and people are coming to see it. What are we going to do?
The painting.
Nice one, Dara.
We can paint it!
Yes!
Look at all these beautiful paintings. I'm so excited to start painting for the big exhibition.
What will we paint?
Right.
Tractor. Good. Will I try?
Joe.
Now, let's add color. Black for the wheels. Green, tractor. Blue, sky. This could be the best painting ever. Good work.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah! Hello, Ozzy.
Hello, wife.
We are painting. Straight down, go!
It's okay.
Oh, bowling is hard. Let's just go again.
Again. Wait here.
I don't know where he is. Bowling is hard.
Oh, this is a good blender.
Really good, honestly.
Chocolate milkshakes. Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Bye.
Hi, Joe.